here is a Bexxly review. Bexxly can make your body runs on frequency. So, how Bexley develop harmonia? Bexley is a develop harmonia through a combination of cutting-edge research, which is actually good for restorating your hormones as well as your sleep. So, this is the kind of device that can actually treat you like a conspiracy theorist. So, if you're having a data that actually involves your sleeping and can actually make your hormones normal, this is the good one for you. So the benefits of this is that it reduces stress in minutes, it can improve your sleep, enhance focus during work, and boost energy. So this only costs $84.99 because this is on sale right now because on the New Year sale. So if you're looking for a healing frequency device that does not actually make you feel like that you are being on a lab rat and actually easy to use, then Bexley is the right one for you.